What if I told you there's a muscle car from the 60s that still turns heads today? Meet the 1966 Chevy Chevelle SS, GM's knockout punch to the muscle car wars. This thing screams vintage cool with its Coke bottle curves and enough V8 power under the hood to smoke the tires. But don't think it's just a pretty face. We're talking drilled and slotted disc brakes, beefed-up suspension, and 4 on the floor for white-knuckle shifts. Plus, a staring contest with those twin-split grills is bound to make your heart race. Crank up the radio and let the giggles begin as you blow the doors off the competition. The '66 Chevelle SS brought the sizzle without breaking the bank. No wonder gearheads today still drool over its sinister swagger. This bow-tie legend is muscle car royalty. Would you turn down the keys for a wicked ride?